Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter lag in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, check your Twitter update. So first of all, open Play Store and search Twitter. If you have any update, then here you can see the update option, then update your Twitter. After update your Twitter, then go back to your home screen and open your settings and scroll down and click on apps. Now click on app management. After clicking on app management, then scroll down and find Twitter. Now here you can see the Twitter. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache and data of Twitter. After clear the cache and data of Twitter, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then go back and click on reset and then click on reset phone. In last you can see the option erase all data. Now click on it and enter your password to erase all your data. Erase all your data means factory data reset. It will destroy all the data in your device like photos, videos, any personal data, apps. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.